Video, we're going to do section 1.2, number 23b. And this problem says find the quotient. So quotient means divide here, but we can see that in the problem as well. Find the quotient of 3 3/10 divided by 5 3/5, and then simplify. So let's remember that we need to make sure to simplify at the end. So simplify. Okay. So 3 3/10 divided by 5 3/5. How are we going to deal with this? Well, one way might be to change both of these mixed numbers to improper fractions. So do you remember how we do that? The shortcut is to say 10 times 3 plus 3, 33 over 10, and then we have 5 times 5 plus 3, that's 28 over 5. That's how most of you have seen it. 5 times 5 plus 3 is the 28, and again, the 10 times 3 plus the 3 is the 33. So that's a shortcut, but really, the long way is to remind ourselves that 3 3/10 is actually 3 plus 3/10, and that 5 3/5 is actually 5 plus 3/5. So that's why we have to do it this way in the long run. Alright, so now let's deal with this division. And this division right here means that we're going to use the reciprocal. So we need to use the reciprocal when we're going to divide. So use the reciprocal of the divisor, the second number in the problem here. So we have 33 over 10 times the 5 over the 28 now, because we use the reciprocal of the 28 over 5. And then we see to ourselves, okay, is there some number that's going to go into the 33 and either the 10 or the 28 or the 5 into the 10? Well, most of you probably would think, oh, well, you know, I see that 5 goes into 5 once, and I know that 5 goes into 10 twice, right? So I can actually write right here the 1 in the numerator and the 2 in the denominator. Then I multiply straight across. This 33 times the 1 is 33, and this 2 times the 28 is going to give us 56. And that is our answer right here, because there are no numbers that are in common, no factors in common between the 33 and the 56. And if you're not sure, you can think to yourself, well, 33 is 3 times 11, and 56, well, that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Oh, there's nothing in common. So I know that I could have stopped at 33 over 56. And if you weren't sure, you could write out the prime factorization to double check your own work. And that was the video on section 1.2, number 23b.